Your neighbor says, "Hey, how's it going?" And your mind goes blank. Sound familiar? By the end of this video, that will never happen again. Hi, I'm Maya. Today we're learning real small talk with friends, neighbors, and coworkers. By the end, you'll speak naturally. Small talk is short, friendly convo. It's not deep, it's just warm. With friends, you can be casual. Try this. Try this. Hey, long time no see. Long time no see means you haven't met in a while. It's warm, and every English speaker uses it. Your friend might ask, "What have you been up to?" That means, "What's new in your life?" You can answer simply, "Not much, just work and gym." You? Pronunciation tip. "What have you" often sounds like "what are you" when we speak fast. Don't worry, that's natural. Friends also joke around. "You're late again," said with a smile. That's playful, not angry. Tone matters more than words. Say it with a smile, and almost anything sounds friendly. Try it. Before you leave a friend, you might say, "Let's catch up soon." It means, "Let's talk again later." Neighbors are different. You're friendly, but a little more polite. A little more polite. In the elevator, you might just say, "Maya, morning." Nice weather today, huh? Talking about weather isn't boring. It's a safe, easy way to start any short chat. If your neighbor's dog barks a lot, you could say, "Your dog is so full of energy today." Kind, not complaining. Need to ask a favor? Try, "Would you mind keeping an eye on my mail this weekend?" "Would you mind" is polite. It's softer than "can you?" Use it when you ask for something bigger. Pronunciation tip. "Would you" often blends into "would-ya" in fast, natural speech. If a neighbor thanks you, just say, "No problem at all." Simple, warm, and very common. Small talk with neighbors builds trust. A friendly hallway takes just 10 seconds. Try this now. Imagine your neighbor waves at you. What do you say back? Speak it out loud. At work, small talk is a little more professional, but still friendly. Monday morning, someone might ask, "How was your weekend?" A classic office question. A simple answer, "Pretty relaxing, thanks. I just stayed home and rested." Always ask back. It keeps the conversation going. How about you? Did you do anything fun? In the break room, you might say, "Is this coffee fresh or should I make a new pot?" Before a meeting starts, small talk fills the gap. Busy morning, right? Pronunciation tip. Right at the end of a sentence rises in tone. It invites the other person to agree. If a coworker compliments your work, just say, "Thanks, that means a lot." Simple, warm, confident. Leaving the office? "Have a good one" is short, friendly, and used everywhere in English-speaking offices. Now you try. Someone at work asks about your weekend. Answer out loud in one full sentence. Here's a secret. Small talk isn't about perfect grammar. It's about connection. If you make a mistake, keep going. Native speakers make mistakes too, all the time. One trick, prepare 3 easy questions before you leave home. How's it going? Any weekend plans? How's the family? Another trick, listen more than you speak. A nod and "really? Tell me more" go a long way. Practice out loud, even alone. Your mouth needs to feel the words, not just your brain. Confidence isn't no fear. It's speaking anyway, even with a little fear. Every short chat you have with a friend, a neighbor, a coworker makes your English stronger. So don't wait for perfect English. Start today with one small hi. Hi, how are you? Let's practice together. I'll ask, you answer out loud. Ready? Hey, long time no see. What have you been up to? Good. Now try this one. Your neighbor says, nice weather today, huh? What do you say back? Last one. A coworker asks, how was your weekend? Answer in one full sentence out loud right now. Great job! Did you notice something? You didn't need perfect grammar, you just needed to speak. That feeling? That's confidence, and it grows every single time you practice out loud. Let's recap. With friends, be casual. With neighbors, be warm and polite. At work, be friendly and ask back. And most importantly, confidence comes from speaking, not from waiting until you're ready. Try one small talk phrase today. With a real person, you'll be surprised how natural it feels. Remember, small talk isn't small. It's how real confidence in English begins. Great job! Keep practicing every day. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. See you in the next lesson. Bye!